start this match, please. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Next to last match on this field, we are beginning our autonomous period. These robots are moving, getting those. Ooh, look at that from technical difficulties. Slam dunking those cones onto the upper junction, whereas their alliance partners going a little bit slower, but still, unfortunately tipping over their pile of cones, which means they will not be getting any more from that side. But Blue Alliance successfully scoring several of their beacons, several of their cones as well.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And we've got the teams beginning the driver control period. It's going to be up to the Red Alliance to see how many of those cones they can get onto their side. Unfortunately, again, knocking over some of their cones that they were going to use in the autonomous period, which might make them a bit hard to capture if they run out of cones from the human players who are adding them into the game. Blue Alliance has no such concerns. They got a solid amount of scoring on their side, and they're getting ready to, unfortunately missing one of those SPS players. But they are fortunately in a good spot to just grab it again and get ready to score it. While technical difficulties is scoring in that upper junction, but again, immediately gets reclaimed by the Blue Alliance. 71-72 reclaiming the Red Alliance there on their upper junction, and then getting tossed back over to the Blue Alliance by 10-0-3-5-5 Project Peacock. SBS Bears claiming one as well. Only one of these upper junctions hasn't been touched yet, and they are out here trying to score as fast as they can and get in there and land it. But you can notice there's a lot of jockeying going around here, whereas one team will score onto the top of their junction and then immediately get that junction taken back by the opposing team. Very much a back and forth scoring system here, which of course will change when the end game is reached and these beacons get released onto the field. An end game that will be in about 15 seconds as these teams are scoring and continuing to score. No touches are really on the low junctions on the Blue Alliance, but several on the Red Alliance. With 185 to 169, it's a bit of a close match as we're going into the end game here. It's going to come down to probably who can get these beacons capped as fast as they can. Looks like we've got one beacon from the Red Alliance and one beacon from the Blue Alliance scored in short succession. Blue Alliance was going to go for that one as well for their second beacon cap, but were not able to successfully get it, so they instead go over to another location and get that. Red Alliance scoring their beacon as well, so we've got all 4 beacons scored, which means if this amount of time left in the game, it's going to come down to parking and those last beacons. Can they do it in time? It's going to be a very close match at the end of the game. Live score count reading 208 to 209. May come down to penalties on this one, folks, in our next to last match of the day.